Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Etsy pattern tools with Marmalead, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Marmalead and hit enter. Click on the official Marmalead website link to access the homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button and complete the registration process. After logging in, navigate to the Resources or Tools section. Look for the category labeled Pattern Tools. Click on the link that leads to the pattern tools you wish to download. Review the available tools to ensure they meet your needs. Select the desired pattern tool by clicking on its title or the download button. A new page will open, providing more details about the tool. Here, you may find instructions, specifications, or preview images. Once ready, locate the download button, usually highlighted prominently. Click on the download button to start the download process. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or prompt you to choose a download location. If prompted, select a folder on your computer where you'd like to save the file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Double-click the downloaded file to open it. Follow any additional installation or setup instructions provided within the file. After successful installation, familiarize yourself with the tool's features. You can now begin using the Etsy pattern tools with Marmalead for your projects. Explore the integrated features to enhance your designing process and streamline your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.